Hello and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. Today I have a special unboxing from MayraFabuleux and she sent me another package. I've had the package for a while, but we do have some exciting news which I will share in this video, which goes along with this box. So let's get on into opening. And before we start, if you haven't yet, give this video a like if you enjoy my series of unboxing these beautiful ears that Mayra always sends me. She's such a great friend. And comment below which one of whatever is in this box you like best. This is her website and her name on Instagram. So if you want to go to her Instagram or her website, it is right here along with the card that she had given me. And you can also use our discount Disney15 for some money off of your purchases. Hi Jamie, I hope you are settling in nicely to your new home. That's the big surprise, and that's what's taken me so long to record this video, because yes, me and Ari did get a condo and we will have a video coming soon talking about the process and how things are coming along in here. We're so excited to have our own place. She always has the cutest packaging. They always come in like these little black or pink bags with her cards and stickers with her name on it. This is so cute. This is a Mickey Mouse embroidered gold hat. So very pretty and matches my outfit actually perfectly right now. I really love these. They are so cute. So to go matching with the hat, we have matching Disney ears. So this is what they look like. They're so cute. They go along very well together. These adorable baby pink mini ears with bows. And you guys all know how much I love bows. Probably are some of my favorite ones. They could go with pretty much any outfit. They're so cute. Mayra, I love these ones so much. Thank you. These adorable white Prada mini ears. They're so comfortable and very chic. I just love these ones so much. They're so pretty, and they also match my outfit too. Also, oh my goodness, I love these. They're embroidered with like silver bedazzles. I just love the front of them and how they look. They're so cute. They truly are great quality. Like, they don't hurt your head, like I've said so many times before. You can wear them all day without feeling like there's pressure in your head from the headbands, which is amazing, because a whole day at a park, it's gonna hurt your head. You don't get them with these. And last but not least, Gucci white bow ears. And like I said, I'm a lover of bows. They're just so cute. I cannot handle it. And the detail is just amazing. This also goes perfect because this year we are getting married, and having all the white and just bow ears, like, come on, this is perfect. Thank you so much, Mayra. I really love all of them. It's hard to pick a favorite. You know I love bows, so I want to know which ones you guys liked best out of this collection that she had sent me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below which ones were your favorite ears, and don't forget to subscribe because we have so many more videos to come and so many more exciting things to share with you guys about our lives and Disney content. So as always, Thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we'll see ya real soon. Bye!